Hi girls, welcome back to another video, and today we are here in COOLISH 500 City Part 2. And today I just made a little bit of the design, and I'm not done yet, also the chairs, but yeah, I'm gonna do this. So first, this is gonna be like a tutorial how to make a vending machine, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, I'm gonna pick the prop I want to give. Fine, oh yeah, paper. Fine. Paper. And it's paper, so I'm gonna make a white wool vending machine. The glass is gonna be black stained glass. And gonna have the white carpet, and we're gonna have the black button, and then we're gonna have the the item frame, and then we're just gonna place this paper there. So yeah, it's gonna be something like that, and we're gonna get the dispenser. So first, what you want to do is place the dispenser not up this side, facing this way. I mean, it can be any way you want, but don't make it up or down or this way. You know, just make it this way, and then get your white wool, put that, and then just do that, and do that, and that. Oh yeah, and also we're gonna need, I don't know, yep, we're gonna need this. Gonna have to do paper. So now we got that. Now all we have to do is just go here and then put the paper. But you know, I want everything inside, all the paper inside. So I might. Whoa. Oh my god, my game like froze. I can't. Whoa, it's like broken. Whoa, that was so weird. Okay, let's just get the paper and then do that. Let's put it in. And then that's it. That's how you make a vending machine. And in my TikTok video, I made this video, like a tutorial how to make it, but I didn't test it out. So I'm just going to test it out here. It works. So yeah, all I have to do is that, and it's very easy. So yeah, I'm just going to cut the video because I'm going to make another one here. By the way, do you like this trash can? I like it. If you want to kill yourself, you can. It's a very easy one. So yeah, well, I'm gonna make another one here. So yeah, there we go. We have it now. Now this looks nice. I really like it. Purple one and some melon seeds. So we have all this. Now remember, I just told you guys that we're gonna make the walls and the roof and everything. So yeah, we're gonna have that. It's gonna be dark. So we're gonna need a light block. So let's go. Whoa. That was close, bro.
You have been given light block *15. Game light.
Okay, so now we have this thing. It's a really good thing. So yeah, we're just gonna put this here. And then we're gonna do some world edit. So yeah, first gonna do this part. Now we made this side. Now this side and that side. Now this side. Now we did everything. So now we're going to need this, the smooth quartz block. Now all we have to do is go here, break one block, and then go. Oops. Wow, that's nice. Now all we gotta do is just get the quartz block, and then how should I do it? Oh yeah, I should do it like this. So now it looks like this. Now we're gonna make the roof. So in case, when you do world that I put the roof, it's gonna be so dark, right? So before that happens, I'm just gonna place the light block everywhere. Cause I hate when bats just spawns. Like, I don't like it. Because it's a city, but then like bats just spawns everywhere and they're like coming, and even if I kill them, like they just coming and they coming again and again, and it's really annoying. So just gonna put those light blocks there, and yeah, it's gonna be good. So before making the roof, I want to make this. Let me see. Yep, and one block, and that's perfect. Perfect. Now all I gotta do is do this one. Yep. So now we got that, so we're gonna do the roof. Oh yeah, if we do the world that we can't see this block, the block of netherite, so I'm gonna place that. Yeah. Gonna make the roof, so yeah. Bye guys. Oh my god. Wow. It's really dark, guys. Yeah. I'm just doing this with the light block, and see, it's so easy. I mean, of course, everybody should know this, but it's really easy. Light block can just really fix everything. Like, it's so good. I really love this block. Just put everything here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yep, that's good. That's all good. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I think I fixed it. Nope, nope. I should do this for now. Oh, that part. So here. Okay, I think we're over. Oh, no. Not yet. Just have this part. So yeah, I guess we're over for this, but then not just that. I told you we're gonna make some furniture, and my roof, I'm not done yet, so let's just do some little things. A little bit of details, because like if the roof is just this is really boring, so we need some little details, I don't know, like these. So I thought we should get this. Now we're just gonna make like a fountain or something, yeah, and then yeah, that's it. So and the video is gonna end like that. So yeah, gonna make the fountain. Okay, we're building this. Yep. It's like a wishing well or something. Not a well, fountain. Like you can just throw diamonds or something and wish for something, or just emeralds, like real life money. And you can just do this. So all we gotta do is just put something in the middle. Something like this, I think. Like, I don't know, like something like this. And then place the water. Yeah, that's good. Now we want to stop this water, so let's just do that. Oh God. Oh yeah, we gotta do that. And yeah, let's try that again. Put that, stop the water. There. Let's do another one. Do I have to do it here? Seems like I can't put the water. Oh my God, I'm inside. I can't stop the water. Oh, there. Now it's all fixed. So all we gotta do, oh, I forgot to put the cool ore. Yeah, I should put it here. Here, yeah. Okay, that's good. So all I have to do is just put some tiny, how do you call them? Leaves. I totally forgot. Yeah, we should use this one. I should use these. These are beautiful ones. 1.17. Yeah. So, let's just go here. Here. Then get this. Put it everywhere. And then let's put that. Then let's go here, I guess. I only want one. Okay, something like that. I really like it. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. That purple thing. Oh. Yeah. Let's go. Should we put some flowers? Nah. Any flowers? Like where? Can't put it. Oh, we should put like some things. Like we have to put some props. So let's get our item frame, and then what should we do? Oh, like we should get a feather. I don't know why we need. Nope, not doing that. It's just gonna be a beautiful, nice fountain. So now all we gotta do is get this, then make the entrance of this place. Or is it just, this is just gonna be a quick test. This is gonna be the escalator place, so we're gonna have this, and then this part is the going down, going up is here. Then that. And stairs gonna be Here, going up and then going down 2 blocks. Yeah. So now we got that. So that's it for this video, but for the next video, I think I'm going to make the smoking room, and I might make this entrance. I might do these things, and yeah, but that's it for this video. So hope you enjoy, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I really hope I just, I don't know, make this city really a nice city and become a famous city. So, do you like this name, Coolest Ranger City? I don't know, I like it, but yeah, that's it for the video. So, again, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, yeah, really, thank you guys, but yeah, bye guys.